Welcome to the top picks. The best classroom sound wall is probably one of the most essential tools for any educator aiming to create a focused and productive learning environment, as it directly addresses the pervasive issue of noise pollution that can significantly hinder student concentration and comprehension. By strategically implementing a sound wall, teachers can effectively manage auditory distractions, ensuring that every student has the opportunity to engage with the lesson material without the disruptive interference of external or internal classroom noise, thereby fostering a more conducive atmosphere for academic success and overall well-being. Number 5. Carson Dellosa Growth Mindset Posters. Instill a positive attitude in kids with these motivational posters. They are a great tool for school counselors, mental health awareness, and creating a calm space. Each poster measures 11 by 8.5 inches, making them the perfect size for bulletin boards, walls, or display boards. They fit seamlessly into any classroom or office decor. This set includes 12 essential posters, each featuring unique and encouraging messages. You'll find a variety of inspirational quotes to uplift and motivate. Each poster delivers an encouraging message of positivity. Phrases like "embrace every challenge" and "progress, not perfection" are designed to inspire. For over 45 years, Carson Dellosa has provided solutions to help children succeed. We support your child's educational journey every step of the way. What we like. This set focuses on building a positive mindset in students. It's perfect for creating a supportive environment in classrooms, therapy offices, or calm-down corners. If you're looking to foster resilience and a can-do attitude, these posters are an excellent choice. What people say. Came exactly as pictured and great for the price. Great for the classroom. Print is great and poster is great quality. Great quality paper, and they looked great on a wall in a classroom. Number 4. Yisong Phonics English Language Charts. Introducing our English phonics poster set, designed to make learning vowels and the alphabet engaging. Each letter is paired with a corresponding image to help children master their phonic sounds. These posters are generously sized at 16 by 11 inches, ensuring they are easily visible from across the room. They are perfect for any homeschool curriculum or as a thoughtful gift. Crafted with high-quality, waterproof, and tear-resistant materials, these charts are built to last. The double-sided PET film coating makes them easy to clean and reusable for extended learning. Shipped flat for your convenience, these posters come with extra adhesive dots. They are simple to apply and remove without damaging your walls or the posters themselves. This kit is packed with activities to help children develop essential reading skills. It's a wonderful tool for practicing phonics, recognizing colors, and enjoying family learning time. What we like. This set offers a comprehensive introduction to phonics and the alphabet with visually engaging charts. Its durable, waterproof design means it can withstand heavy use in any learning environment. If you need a robust and reusable resource for teaching foundational English language skills, especially for homeschoolers or early learners, this is a great option. What people say. The sound wall is a great visual aid for students to understand and identify different sounds. It helps students to connect sounds with their corresponding letters or letter combinations. The wall is well organized and easy for students to reference during reading and writing activities. Number 3. Hand 2 Mind Sound Wall Classroom Phonics Kit. Unlock the power of phonics with our comprehensive Sound Wall Classroom Phonics Kit. It's designed to be an all-in-one solution for introducing a sound wall into your learning space. This kit is ideal for kindergartners and young children. The cards are conveniently organized and sized to fit perfectly in any classroom, making learning accessible. It's a fantastic tool for teaching phonemic awareness. It supports early readers, students with speech and language challenges, and English language learners in developing crucial skills. This set is more than just cards, it's a complete resource. It includes a helpful guide for organization and use, along with master sheets for creating charts. Inside, you'll find 44 phoneme cards, 45 grapheme photo cards, 80 spelling cards with alternative spellings, and header cards. Plus, blank cards are included for customized learning. What we like. This is an all-in-one phonics kit designed for building a complete sound wall. It's particularly beneficial for teachers working with young children, early readers, or students with speech and language difficulties. If you need a structured and space-saving solution for teaching phonemic awareness and the science of reading, this kit is ideal. What people say. Each section comes a plastic clip that opens and the cards can be removed. I placed them in a pocket chart as we focused on each part and then added to my sound wall. The book that comes with it gives a script to teach the skills as well. Very helpful. Science of Reading bulletin board that's very user-friendly. Kids love it. Cards were great quality. I needed for whole class instruction, so I didn't use rings and organized cards onto poster board. Easier than using TPT or printable version. Number 2. Hadley designs Phonics posters, Greenery classroom set. Introduce your young learners to the fundamentals of reading with this engaging set of 9 Phonics posters. Designed with a charming greenery theme, they are perfect for kindergarten and elementary students. These posters cover all essential vowel sounds, both long and short, along with different syllable types. They serve as a fantastic visual aid to reinforce word structure and pronunciation. With large, colorful, and easy-to-read designs, these charts are ideal for visual learners. They help children easily grasp phonics patterns and vowel sounds, making learning fun and accessible. Crafted from durable, gloss-coated paper, these educational posters are built to last. They can withstand the daily use of a busy classroom environment, ensuring long-term educational value. Whether in a traditional classroom, a homeschool, or a teacher's office, these posters are a great addition. They support phonics instruction effectively in various educational settings. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These learning posters are perfect for teachers and homeschool parents. They offer a fun, interactive way to learn while adding a touch of brightness to any space. What we like? This set features a calming greenery theme and covers essential phonics rules, including vowel sounds and syllable types. Its vibrant, large designs are perfect for visual learners. If you're a kindergarten or first grade teacher looking to enhance your classroom's phonics wall with an aesthetically pleasing and educational display, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The sound wall is a great tool for teaching phonics. It is very helpful for students to see and hear the sounds. The wall is well organized and easy to use. Number 1. Hadley designs Phonics posters. Introduce your young learners to the fundamentals of phonics and vowel sounds with this engaging set of 9 retro-themed posters. They are perfect for kindergarten and elementary classrooms, helping children master the basics of reading. These posters cover all essential vowel sounds, both long and short, along with syllable types. They serve as a great tool for reinforcing pronunciation and understanding word structure. Designed with visual learning in mind, these charts help children easily grasp phonics patterns and vowel sounds. Their large, colorful designs enhance any classroom or homeschool environment. Crafted from durable, gloss-coated paper, these posters are built to last in a busy learning environment. They are ideal for use as bulletin board sets or wall decor. Whether in a traditional classroom, a homeschool, or a teacher's office, these posters are a versatile addition. They clearly illustrate syllable types, vowel sounds, and word structure for effective instruction. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These learning posters are wonderful for teachers and homeschool parents, offering fun, interactive learning while brightening up any space. What we like? This set offers a fun retro theme, making phonics learning engaging and visually appealing. It thoroughly covers vowel sounds and syllable types, making it excellent for visual learners in kindergarten and first grade. If you want to add a stylish and educational touch to your classroom or homeschool environment while reinforcing key reading skills, this set is a great pick. What people say. Great quality, super big, and I love all the different designs offered. The colors stand out and are eye-catching but not too distracting. Each piece is 11 x 14 and they are great sizes for what I was looking for. Each poster covers so much of phonic instructions and correlates with great pictures. These are not paper and should last a long time. I was impressed with the size and brilliance of the colors. It's easy to look at since each color identifies a different sound. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.